On a lot of Hondas, when the key wears, it kind of wears to a point, and one of these days the key, instead of picking up the wafer correctly on the edge, will actually go past it and smash it, and then you'll put your key in the ignition, you'll try to turn it, and it just won't turn. Really common on Hondas. And I had this customer here. He called me, I gave him a price, and several days later he contacted me and asked me if I could give him a discount since he had started. And this is where we are. And it looks like he tried to take the shear bolts off because he used a grinder to put slots in it, presumably to take them out with a screwdriver. But here's the fun part. None of this had to come off. None of this. The steering wheel, airbag, this. The only thing that had to come off was the plastic shroud, this module, and preferably in one piece, and that, so I can pull the cylinder. Now instead I have to figure out how all of this goes back on. I have to figure out exactly how to time the steering wheel. There are some marks, but I could still put it on upside down, so no idea what this is or where that came from. This is something heavy. I have no clue what it is. So needless to say, he's not getting the discount. If he hadn't started, he probably could have talked me into it. Okay, I've been working on this for 2 minutes now, and here's the ignition, and this is all I needed for this repair. Alright, got it all back together. I put his electronics in a new key shell. Buttons work. Car starts. And let's make sure the steering wheel will go all the way without destroying any wires, and it looks like it is. Okay, it's really faint, but the cruise control light's coming on, so this is connected. They presumably all work. Horn works. All right, people, do not repair this yourself.